What's up, y'all? My name is Maja. Come follow me at PPRETTYY.MM. And I'm trying to see who coming home with me. Trying to see who got it and who don't, who mouthpiece raw and who's not. Simple as that. Simple like that.
Bet. Alright, I got you. Man, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike, and then in today's video, we do not have an intro. I had the commentator set up the video, get everything settled, and somehow he did not record the intro. So this is how today's intro is gonna be. So today we have an Instagram model picks her boyfriend based off their voice, the sound of their voice, and the sound of their answers of the questions that will be asked to the Instagram model. So I really can't blame the commentator, you guys. You know, I just bear with him. It's his first video. You know, only thing I do is be grateful because he did record the rest of the video, but not the intro of the video. So that's today's video. An Instagram model picks her boyfriend based off their voice and their answers to the questions that she will be getting asked. Now, as you see, you will see both of the contestants walking in the video. Contestant number 1 is on the left and contestant number 2 is on the right. Now, the rules of the game is she cannot turn around to see who is answering the questions. They both will be named contestant 1 and contestant 2. So she will not know which one is who. All right, you guys, let's jump into the video.
Contestant number 1, where would you take your girl out on the first date? Where would you go?
I'm contestant number 1.
Mm-hmm.
The first date.
You know you gotta do it big.
I mean, shit. You gonna go with 2. Yeah, you something slight but expensive. Like
Some slight but expensive.
Red flag.
Like it ain't gonna be in between.
Alright.
Yeah. You gonna go to eat though.
Don't make it with me.
Contestant number 2, where would you take a girl out on the first date?
For the first date, I'm gonna wash the car, get everything right. Yeah, I'm gonna tell her, be dressed for 6. Yeah, and we're gonna Root Chris.
Ooh.
Yeah, she get the #1 steak is what she, you hear me? Whatever she want. First date.
First date ain't no fun, just restaurant?
Straight. Then we're gonna walk the living. I gotta show off, cause you can't hide her.
Right, on the live at night.
Yeah.
Based off them answers, which contestant would you let take you out on the date?
Well, I'm gonna say why wouldn't you?
Yeah.
So, contestant number 1 is we gonna go out to eat though. Like, it's not too much. It got potential, but it ain't too much if you put into it.
Right.
Contestant number 2, I never been to Root Chris, so.
You going for the Root Chris?
Yeah.
Damn, Kobe. Second question. How soon do you want kids?
Contestant number 2?
Yeah.
Me? Alright. I mean, whenever God get ready. You hear me? Whenever God give me that sign, whenever they come, they come. It really doesn't matter to me. I take care of mine.
What if you slip up?
Step up to the plate.
I was just bullshitting. And you know this, man.
Contestant number 1?
Man, nigga ain't putting that time limit on, but I really say like 24, something like that. But ain't no time limit on shit. When you have kids, you just gotta take care of their shit.
Y'all both got the same answer.
I mean,
Nah, I'm stepping up to the plate when I'm financially stable.
Oh, so you gonna wait till you sick?
Yeah, I gotta make sure he right, I'm right, she right, it don't matter.
But I'm saying, what if a slip up come?
A slip?
Yeah.
Then I gotta get right.
Gotta
Make sure I'm right.
He gonna be scared. He just told you.
Yeah, I gotta make sure it's taken care of.
Based off that they answer off that question, which one you going with?
Neither. Because he know, contestant number 2 know that if he get caught slipping, then he gonna be scared.
Right.
Like, he ain't gonna be ready right then and there.
Hollering about some damn wait time, stable.
But I respect the that I'm gonna get right. And I respect this answer. Contestant number 1 is like, whenever it happens, whatever happens, happens.
Facts. Alright, this the third question. It's something like the first one, but it's different. What's your idea of a perfect date? Contestant number 1.
idea of a perfect date?
Yeah.
Shit, we're gonna be out of town. We're gonna be at a resort or some shit.
A resort? Out of town?
Yeah, out of town.
You like spending money. How contestant number 1?
Shit, yeah. But shit, it's gonna be having fun. It ain't gonna be nothing boring.
But you can do something simple.
Nah.
Nothing simple. Gotta do it big.
Date.
Contestant number 2.
For the perfect date, I'll find out the boy. I'm getting a dress. I'm having reservations for the dinner, and we just don't go from there. I'm gonna
Ruth
set the
Chris?
table.
Y'all eating Ruth Chris and boy?
No, we ain't eating with Chris. That's for the first date, but for the perfect date.
Yeah.
You hear me? It's a difference. You know what I'm saying? A date and a perfect date. The date for the perfect date, I'm gonna plan it. You hear me? For the first date, it's just gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? You get it? You know what I'm saying?
I got you, Chris. I got you.
Boy, remember that ain't cheap.
Based off their answers to them questions, which one you going with?
Contestant number 2, boy. That's on some De'Ara and Ken type shit.
Right. So what you?
Nothing wrong with it, but it seemed like I feel like more could be added to it. Like I'm more of a I like to explore different stuff.
Right.
Or you wanna go snooker dive?
Scuba, girl. Oh man. So what you think about contestant number 1?
I like it. He going all in out.
Fact. So you going contestant number 1?
Number 1. How? Boy.
She say that shit boring.
Oh,
Like it's not boring. It's just like it's so basic. Like anybody could send somebody out the board.
Facts.
Like, but
Gotta
you gotta
do better.
find different shit out there. They have
Fifth
potential.
one. Question number 5. What ended your last relationship? Contestant number 2.
Just arguing every day.
Right, that shit for the birds.
Hey, it's just toxic. I
feel you on that.
ain't, you know what I'm saying?
You couldn't be the bigger person?
You having more good days than bad days. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
What you telling me?
I'm just saying.
You couldn't be the bigger person?
I had to be the bigger person. You know, just cut ties.
That's not being the bigger person.
Oh. How?
Because you left.
I left?
Yeah, you supposed to fight.
really
You supposed
I
to
was
fight.
fighting. Yeah, I was fighting. You hear me?
You only got so much fight.
I took on a shopping
gave
spree. You hear me?
Gave
I gave it the passwords to my bank account, everything she needed. I gave it to her. It just wasn't there no more.
I feel that. Contestant number 1.
I don't know what he talking about, but I'm gonna say we ended up like not on nothing bad. I mean, it just wasn't right for us. Wasn't right.
So it was a mutual agreement.
Yeah, it was a mutual agreement. That's how it always gotta be. It
I
can't
gotta
be
be
one
careful.
side.
You don't want it to end toxic.
No bad blood.
Mine
have to
ain't
watch your back
intoxic
there
neither
when
though.
you
Mine ain't intoxic
Hold on,
neither.
it's contestant.
Oh, you right. You right.
That bitch blurry like a mother.
You right.
What's wrong with your camera, son?
How you feel about the answer of that question? Which one you going with?
I'm gonna go with contestant number 1 because contestant number 2 didn't fight.
Facts.
You want me to beat her up? I'm fighting.
Because being the bigger
I'm
person,
fighting for my life.
being the bigger person, you're trying to fix shit.
Right.
Alright, this is a good question here. Question number 6. If a man disrespect her in public, what you doing? Contestant
Y'all
number 1.
better have some good answers.
Disrespect or how?
Shit, like, you know, he with you. He can be like, that's your
Grab
girl.
that ass.
He acts like, that's your girl. He say, yeah, why I sound? He be like, man, I'm trying to
Touch
get
me
with that.
sexually, come at me crazy.
I'm handling it.
How you gonna handle it?
How?
Slap
Slap him?
Slap him, beat him up. Might
Lord.
kick his ass. Beat him up.
Beat him up.
What
What
about
you gonna do?
What about you, contestant number 2? Ooh.
Oh, you
Girl, I ain't playing.
In public? This is in public,
Let me
huh?
get out of here.
straight
In
murder.
public. I'm saying like in the mall in front of booth.
That's my girl.
So you gonna
You
shoot
hear? I'm dead
So
behind
you rather go to
I
girl?
got
You
no
rather
mind behind it. That's my girl.
Okay, true, right?
So you gonna be in that bitch with straight boys.
Straight boy, first girl behind my girl.
Because think about it, you do that, you gotta go lay down for 25. She ain't
Straight
gonna hold you
boys.
down for
Girl,
25
she
years.
She gonna be somebody else's girl the
They
next
do the same for me.
Cause she not gonna hold you down for 25 years, cuz. Think about it.
It get dry.
Look, listen
Same
what-
answer?
Listen to what I'm saying. He touch her, he over it. Don't even get up a picture with her. Get his favorite picture.
Oh man. So with that, with the answer to that question, who's one you going with?
Okay, contestant number 2. How you know I'm gonna do the same thing if a girl disrespects you?
I want to make sure you crazy over me. You hear me? You gonna be crazy over me. You have no other choice.
Straight.
You have no other choice.
It's straight, man.
I don't know how to feel about contestant 2. Contestant 1, you know, a little scratch. I like that.
Right.
You gonna get whooped and take a girl. Playing with a nigga like me.
So you go with contestant number 1?
Yeah.
Damn, cause another L.
Man,
About 4-1.
you ain't really saying nothing. You hear what I'm saying?
Oh, we're keeping it real.
Alright, boom, this is going right here too. How long you expect to wait for sex? Contestant number 2, contestant.
Alright. Really, whenever she decides to give it, I'm waiting on her. I'm ready when she ready. But if she taking too long, more than 2 days, then we gonna have to, you know.
Oh, so 2 days, that's how you giving them?
2. Small piece raw.
Shit,
Cuz, if she ain't giving it up in 2 days,
something ain't right.
on to the next. It ain't right, cuz. You hear me? You gotta work with me like working with you. I'm blowing that bag, you gotta blow. You hear me? I'm throwing that cash, you gotta throw it.
You gotta bring something to the table,
Nah,
huh?
bro, what I'm saying?
What about you, contestant number 1?
Shit, I'm gonna keep it real shit.
Keep it real.
Keep it a bean, man.
Nigga ain't finna wait months and months. If you feeling me, you hear me, and I'm feeling you, that shit just supposed to be out. Bad.
Supposed to come natural. But what if she she feeling you, but she still wants you to wait 3 months? That's before y'all even talk. She say 3 months. That's what it's gonna be.
3 months. That's what it's gonna be.
That's what it's gonna be. 3 months. You feeling her too, but she telling you it's 3 months.
It ain't gonna be no 3 months if she feeling me and I'm feeling her.
But that's just what that's her standard.
That's how she feel.
That's the standard she set for herself.
I ain't never heard of it. Wait 3 months.
But I'm just saying.
Baby, you ain't wait.
What you mean?
You ain't
finna wait months and months and months.
So how long?
If you tell me 3 months and then you fuck around and say 3 more months, oh no.
So how long would you wait?
Yeah.
What's the longest?
You did?
Alright, about 2 weeks.
So 2 weeks.
Probably less than that.
You got a good heart.
Based off their answers.
Based off the answers, contestant number 2, not fucking with it.
2 days? What if y'all
2
like been with
days.
each other all 2 days? Like
That's
too long.
That's
means
too
she ain't
fast.
fucking with you.
That's too fast. Cause then
Look.
You could tell somebody
What?
that's all I was saying. Contestant number 2 is just it's too quick. Cause the girl, like some females, they be ready to do shit like that, and they got other females that be trying to slow shit down. Like they gotta know what they getting themselves into before they jump and do some shit like that.
Right.
Contestant number 1, he might be saying that shit, but when it come down to the come down and somebody be like, oh, I want to wait like 3 more months or 3 months, he gonna be like, man.
And now you gonna wait.
Keeping it G.
so you good on both of them?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, what it is.
Yeah.
Can't wait to 2 days. Can't wait to 2 days.
His answer at first when it's like, oh, it's supposed to come naturally, I was with
You
it, but he
was
lost
supposed
me. He lost me after that.
Wow.
Oh, which one?
Contestant number 1.
Alright, boom. It
Yeah,
say
you been lost him.
next question. It say what you'll do if y'all having sex and you smell a bad odor.
Don't come to me first.
Man, this nigga Mike stupid, son. He making all these stupid ass faces, bro. Let me ask another question, but let me re-ask that bit. Alright, boom. Next question. It say if y'all having sex and you smell a bad odor, what you doing? Contestant number 1.
Wait, ask me the question, cuz.
If y'all having sex and you smell a bad odor, what you doing?
You put a mask on to go in there. You put a mask on to go in there.
Come on, son.
Contestant number 1.
He got open ass on. Hey,
Hey, we cover that thing I did.
I can't even talk. Nigga, it's a real thing.
My bad, I go.
It wasn't one of the bad odor. Like,
But this your girl we talk about.
okay, baby.
This your girl.
If
So
it's
how you
my
gonna
girl
handle that?
shit, I'm gonna say, babe, look, I'm gonna keep it real.
Say shit.
And I'm gonna Hey, let's go get a shower.
You can't wait till the next morning. You like, I ain't lying, babe. I wasn't fucking with last night.
Oh no, I'm gonna tell her.
Right then and there.
And I'm
It's
gonna
gonna.
He said, what's the next morning? He gonna let her get in the bed like this?
shit. Oh, I ain't say wait till the next morning. She gonna go get a shower.
Right then and there.
Right then and there.
But then when she get out, she ain't gonna fuck with it no more.
I mean, we can wait till the morning.
Facts.
She clean it.
What about you, contestant number 2?
He gonna put bleach on. He gonna put his dog
I ain't gonna say nothing.
swimsuit, go in there.
Your nose work like mine, good. I can't say nothing. So if I smell it, you smell it. You know what I'm saying? You doing too much snacking. Let me talk, man.
Contestant number 2, what would you do? How would you handle the situation?
I come at her as nice as I can, but I come at her in a nonchalant type of way. You know?
Why you looking at me?
Oh, my bad, you're right, my bad. I'm just saying, this is how you should treat your girl like this. You know what I'm saying?
That's keeping it real with your girl.
I'm just saying, my nonchalant way, I ain't even gonna say nothing. I'm just saying, I'm not turned on right now. You try to get them off. And I'm just walk off.
So you ain't gonna never tell her about it? You ain't gonna tell her she was smelling?
She ain't crazy. She know what it is. She know the odor. The room funked up. She done funked the room up. She got no trouble to get over and get the tub. Now she can make it to bed. Oh, she disrespectful. But that's just how I'm gonna handle the situation.
These niggas stupid. Based off their answers, which one you going with?
I'm going with contestant number 1. Cause contestant number 2, that'll make a female just wanna feel bad about themselves.
You should.
Cause not every time if that happens to a female, it's not their fault.
Oh,
Who fought this one?
That's why I'm going with contestant number 1.
you know what it was we got here? You knew you take a bath. You know you a phone.
Oh man, fuck. Alright, bro. Let me see. Alright, boom. Next question. What would you get your girl for Valentine's Day? Contestant number 2.
You hear I'm getting my Louis Vuitton. You hear me? We just right there. Promise ring. You hear me?
Big step.
Date. You go on a date. You hear me? And then we might step around and get some Valentino. No, red bottom. Might give her a red bottom. iPhone, candy, bag, rose. You hear me? Just like that. Then take her to the Hotel New Orleans with the rope pedal on the floor. You're the good hotel, you know what I'm saying?
Not no BR hotel.
Not no BR hotel, You at the top. We're at the top with the rose petals, the balloon, lights out, candles out on the floor. Yeah, we getting right. You hear, Valentine's gonna be good for my girl. Just like that. But what I'm saying, we gotta be together 4-5 years though, for us, something like that to happen though.
Man, you
I'm gonna call you right back. I'm sorry.
Man, Mike, you fucked up. Contestant number 1.
It depends on how long we've been
That boy gonna cook some at home.
It depends on how long we've been together and all this shit. If it's about, we've been together at least about, 2-3 years. She gonna do it big for you, you know.
What's big?
Rose petals, probably some shit, say, probably some shit on the with the rose petals, you know.
Niggas gotta start riding their own wave. Everybody get roll pedal.
What you
You hear me?
But girls like this shit.
You right.
Romantic type.
Man, they like different shit.
They like
none of that shit y'all
Yeah,
talking
to
about.
end the night, yeah, they gonna get
Tell y'all the
freaky.
truth.
We gonna fuck on the balcony.
He talking about something different. You niggas trying to get straight to the sexual part.
I said the end, nigga. Ain't even about that.
That's your answer?
Yeah.
Based off the questions, the answers, which one you going with?
Contestant number 1, it's like, it's nothing. Like, it's so basic.
He ain't put no thought in it,
Rose
right?
petals and that's it.
Bullshit. You bullshit.
So you going with contestant number 2?
Yeah.
She can pass up on them red bottoms, cuz.
You know that roll pedal on the float, Hotel New Orleans, they like that balloon. He talking about some roll pedal in his room. He gonna cook something. Cheap night. He talking about it from the heart, baby.
Alright, boom. Next question. If she mad, what you doing to chill up? Contestant number 1.
What I'm gonna do to chill? Try to talk to her first, see what's wrong.
What if talking ain't going for it? What if she ain't going for the talking? She ignoring everything you saying.
Just bad communication, like I'm telling you. But what I do, shit, I probably do something sweet for us. I don't know what, but like, do something sweet for us. Something that she like, you know. I don't know what it is.
What if she mad like she caught you cheating or something? She mad about you cheating. Too smooth? Too smooth?
Too smooth. Black men don't cheat.
My dog. My dog.
Contestant number 2.
Yeah, my baby mad, you know what I'm doing.
Could poach out on steak.
Baby ain't hungry, she mad, man.
What you gonna do? Lick up the hoes. Chill up.
I ain't with none of that. It's you, cuz. It's this nigga. I ain't with no feet, you know. I ain't with that. So she mad, I'm coming out, I'm trying to chill her, play with her. Yeah, but it depends on what she mad for though. But you feel like she really heat
like he said,
I'm gonna give her space. You hear me? Give her space. I'm gonna come back later on. You hear me? She ain't really trying to talk right now. I'm gonna come back later about a couple minutes later, see if she calm down. That's what's wrong. You hear me? Then she should be able to talk. You hear me? It's something I can fix, and I'm gonna handle that. I'm show my girl right. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna get her right. You hear me?
That sounds like a whole lot of bullshit.
They just have to go rock out.
That's your answer?
My answer.
Based off them answers, which one you going with?
The reason why I'm not going with contestant number 1 is because it's the, like, a female probably not gonna be ready to talk about what it is right then and there.
Right.
They gonna need their space. So it's the bad communication skills because they don't want to talk to them. Oh, wait.
You supposed to be able to open up to your nigga.
So number 2 got that? That boy, you got 3 in a row, cuz.
You know, number 2.
You got 3 in a row.
Number 2.
It's still 5.
We not, huh?
5-3.
Ain't no 5, nothing. Okay, alright.
Next question. How do you picture your best sexual experience? Number 2.
I picture, you hear me? We had a long day, we been out. So you hear me? We go home, shower, most definitely shower. You hear me? Before we get this started.
Oh, you trying to get nasty, huh?
But I don't really picture it nasty. I'm just finna, she come on to me, cause I ain't, you hear me? We really gonna be chilling when we get home out of the shower. We chilling, and you hear me? We just take from there, man. My girl, we had a long day. We've been out, we've been shopping. So when we get home, I just wanna be with my girl. We gonna make this happen. I'm gonna be with my girl, watching Netflix. You know what come with that? Me and my girl, we gotta make this happen. But I really picture my best sexual, you hear me? I want to picture the best, you hear me? The best, so I really want to picture it somewhere with the balcony, top floor, you hear me? Big buildings I see outside the window on the balcony, you hear me? So I get on the balcony, you hear me? So we, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? Balcony action, best, top floor, good view. She looking over the balcony. You true, you hear me? I got a head over the rail. You true.
It's balcony 40.
Bro, I got a head over the rail, you hear? I gotta look down. We on the top floor, you hear? That's how I picture me. That's how I picture mine.
Contestant number 1.
Oh my god.
Man, this nigga's stupid, bro. Facts.
Something I want to do like the best 6. I want to be like shit on the beach, man. Sitting down with the blanket, looking, drinking wine, some shit like that, man. Nigga, straight salt flakes and chill, man.
That's your best on the beach, smelling salt water, cuz? Nigga, what you mean? Oh, you want to hit a wave splash.
It's gonna be the nastiest.
Man, I like it in the beach.
On the beach. Under the blanket.
On the beach?
What?
Man, that
That'd be nasty.
That ain't best.
That's some more.
Yeah, like they been there, done that.
Is your answer, brother? Based off them answers, which one you going with? Balcony sound fun, man.
Your penthouse, top floor. I know you don't want to be spending no salt water outside.
It ain't about spending salt.
You talking about some wine on the beach. So you bring a cooler.
Wine after you done.
Wine after you done. I ain't thirsty, trying to go sleep. You talking thirsty, man.
It's in between, cause contestant number 2 like all the little Netflix and that's cool or whatever. But you gotta be exotic and you gotta go into the club. And it's not no just Netflix fucking sleep. That's like that's kind of boring. Like it's a vibe sometimes, but it's kind of boring.
We had a long day. We had a long. I took you shopping. I bought you wherever you want. I just want to go. I didn't want to go home and lay down. Be with you. That's all.
Fuck all
And then on the beach, like
Too
the
public.
end and shit, the sun. But that sounds like stuff that a lot of
Ain't the
people
best though. You know what I'm saying? Oh my bad.
I ain't gonna say it, yeah, cause it ain't the best thing, but
It's just something they want to do, though.
yeah, that's something that I would
He
do.
want to do.
Alright, but the question said best. So which one you going with? One? Netflix.
Eat.
She ain't trying to watch no TV and go to sleep.
He ain't never been out of state to no beach. That's why. Oh, get a nigga that been to the beach. Panama. Man.
Alright, next question.
I sit up and propose. I want that bitch to be big. I ain't gonna care. That's my girlfriend, man. That bitch gotta be big.
How would you have it set up?
That's just some shit. I'll probably have some shit. Some shit written in the air. Will you marry me? Then be ready.
On a blimp?
What if she can't see that good?
You too.
I can't just act like you know.
So what about like in the place, like how you design, like with the music, like who would you have there? Like how would you imagine your wedding? Like would you have like diamonds everywhere? Would you have?
Yeah, the proposal.
She skipped over.
She went straight to the. Let's just go with your, you wanna go with your answer, saying? That was your rest of your answer?
Proposal, I'm saying like.
She said Gucci
Oh,
Mane.
wait. My answer. I mean, my question. Like, where would you do it?
Yeah, the proposal. Where would you set it up at? She gonna know it's coming. You gotta make it sneak up on her.
Yeah, like I'm gonna have somebody else, you know, doing all this.
She said that we gonna play VR.
You know what I'm saying?
Nigga gonna send it through a text.
And now I'm gonna have that bit, you know, come across the sky.
I'm ready to see contestant number 2 answer. He ready. That's your answer?
Right there.
What about you, contestant number 2? You ready?
Certified.
Nah, I ain't trying to talk. You hear me? Big camera, you hear me? So look, this how we rocking out. I'm pitching this in advance. You hear me? So my girl, she just opened her business. You hear me? All her family, the family there, and her new business, nigga. You hear me? She got her dress on, everything. I got my tuxedo on, you know. I walked in there, so she cutting the red tie for her business. She opened the door, it's grand open. You hear me? She turned around. You hear me? I'll tell you everybody, pull the phones off. It's gonna go down right now. I do like this. I do like this. You hear me? By the time she turn around, but the camera like right on her because she got a grand opening. She don't see it coming, cause you know what I'm saying? It's a grand opening. So the camera, she think the camera was for her, but it's really for me and her. You know what I'm saying? She turn around on her knees. You hear me? With the big diamond, the big rock, just like that. She don't got no trust but the yeah, just like that. You hear me?
She gotta say yeah.
You gotta say yeah. All your family here.
She said no.
Your grand opening.
She said no.
Can't say no. She can't. We've been together this long. I already know she ain't gonna say no. She can't. I'm at the grand opening because my baby just opened up her business.
Cause
Cause
she don't want no business, but she got some other plans.
I did this. If she don't got no business, then we ain't together. You ain't gonna be with her. I'm gonna be going for it. She gonna be going. If you don't got no business, what else you got going? You know what I'm saying? You gotta be your own boss. You know what I'm saying? You gotta pitch it in advance. That's how we gonna go down, just like that, rocking out. My baby got her own business. I'm proposing at the grand opening.
So find out.
The grand opening. I'm trying to make y'all know what I'm saying.
Yeah, we get it.
We got the grand opening. I'm proposing at the grand opening. All the family there, everybody there. Just how we rocking out.
So that's.
And I got a singer that one too, cuz. A singer.
What singer? Who
you got? Who you got?
What singer?
Give me Chris Tucker. I mean, Chris Brown. Chris Brown. What he gonna sing? He gonna get that.
Oh shit. Is it good?
That's it.
Based off their answers, which one you going with?
I'm gonna go with contestant.
You hear me in the building?
Even though Chris Tucker not a singer.
Chris Brown. Chris Brown.
After all the questions and responses you heard out of these two contestants, based off voice and answers, not looks, which one would you pick? Which one would you date?
I would say like.
Yeah,
like
you
my
can say,
brother.
you can put your input.
Contestant 2, he kind of talking about it.
You talking about, you know, like
Yeah,
that.
but not in a bad way though. Like he over-explained it, but that's a good thing.
You gotta make sure you understand.
Contestant 1.
Yeah, I know you're like no goofy nigga. You steady laughing. You in my face, man. You laughing, tickle. You like no tickle nigga like a real nigga. You hear?
That nigga there, boy.
What are you?
Damn.
No words. He bullshit. That's all she can say. He bullshit.
I don't know, cause some of y'all answers was what and what,
Right.
and
Okay, well, turn around and pick then, since you stuck on.
Yeah.
you alright? You alright? Gotcha.
Why you asking was he high and still don't go with
Just
him?
asking.
Just asking.
Just asking.
Right.
Down, so contestant number 2.
Yeah.
Right. You know who she going home with? I want to get up out of there, nigga. You go home with me, nigga. Yeah. Hey, I'm the winner. Tell him who it was for.
That's your boy Mike.
Yeah,
Balcony shit,
you go home with your boy
She
Mike.
couldn't pass up on that balcony.
Gotta pass up on that balcony in the room. So it's like shit. The top floor. The top floor. Huh?
Goofy.
Oh, man. You hear me? You hear me? Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we out.
Trap shit.